welcome to our channel once again, my friends. On this channel, Realize Guyana, we bring you all the traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing another one of those, and we're going to be making stew butterfish. We have about 4 medium-sized butterfish. We're going to be using some tomato paste, black pepper, onion, garlic, scallions, celery, fish seasoning, broadleaf thyme. Of course, as usual, all the ingredients will be listed with measurements below the video in the description box. So Mom is doing this recipe for us today, guys. The first thing she's going to do is wash our fish. So she's going to add some vinegar. So these are good sizes for your stew. So now she's gonna wash the fish with some lemon juice. Alright, so the fish is all washed clean with lemon juice, and we are ready to season the fish now. So this seasoning of the fish is before you fry it. We're going to fry the fish first before we stew it. So that was some salt. And that's fish seasoning. A little bit of black pepper. And that was a little bit more of fish seasoning. And that's it. So we're adding some oil now to fry our fish. And you're gonna need some flour, just some all-purpose flour. Alright guys, so our oil is hot. We're gonna begin frying our butterfish. So butterfish and mangameri are similar, guys. And butterfish has a kind of pinkish tint to it. And it's said that butterfish is tastier than mangameri. So which one of the fish do you like? Do you like mangameri or butterfish? To me, fried, they're both delicious. Some nice pepper sauce. So it's time to turn our first set. Alright, so we're gonna fry these out, and I'll see you then. Alright guys, so Mom has fried all the fish. The fish is ready, so we're gonna get the other stuff ready for the stew now. That's our broadleaf thyme and the celery. So she's adding the broadleaf thyme, pudina. There's the celery. So Molly is video camera lady right now. Is she doing a good job? Alright guys, so this is all pounded now, and that is enough. That's fine enough. So only the scallions and the onion is left. Those two are going to be added later on. Okay guys, so she added about half of the onions. This is going to be fried up at the beginning, and this here is going to be added later on in the dish. So this is our tomato paste. So that's a teaspoon. So mom has everything ready guys, so she's gonna add the oil to heat up the oil now. Alright, so our oil is hot, my friends. So we're gonna add our seasonings. Okay guys, so she added just a little touch of water more to fry this up. You don't want it to dry out and burn. And that's smelling nice already. Alright guys, so this is fried a bit, and she's gonna add some tomato paste. So that's about 3 teaspoons of tomato paste, and she's adding some water. And in that goes so at the beginning you want to fry your seasonings first with just 1 teaspoon of the tomato paste. Infuse some flavors, build some flavors, and now you're adding the diluted tomato paste to make the gravy for your stew. So altogether here she's used 4 teaspoons of tomato paste. Some salt. So now we're gonna wait until this starts to bubble up and cook for a bit. Alright guys, so our stew started bubbling up there, and mom is gonna add the fish now. All our delicious fried fish, fried butterfish. So she's adding some black pepper now. And that's some of the chopped onions and scallions we had there. So this time you're gonna taste your stew, the broth, and then you're gonna see if you need some more salt or whatever, and add it accordingly. But basically your stew is cooked already, your fish is cooked. You let it boil for a few minutes, a couple of minutes. So this is smelling so yummy guys. This and a nice plate of rice. I love this with roti as well. I love roti, of course. Now look at how delicious that is looking. So you want to boil it after you've made your stew. You want to boil the fish in there for a bit. Let it soak up all that gravy as much as you can. So that's it. That's about maybe 3 minutes max after you added your fish. You let it boil, and that's it. Our stew is done. So you're gonna turn off your stove now and remove this from the heat. So that's it for this video, my friends. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button now. Click the notification bell so you'll know whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.